Hey, it's Ivan from This is San Diego, and in this episode, we're in Barrio Logan discovering Futures Past. Let's check it out. Futures Past is a creative media agency helping brands take off by thoughtful storytelling through compelling content. They produce quality and professional photo, video, and audio content in San Diego for Southern California and the rest of the world. Located in beautiful Barrio Logan, this neighborhood is quickly becoming a hotspot for cutting-edge art and is the epicenter for the city's Mexican-American culture. So we're here inside Futures Past with owners Alyssa and Ian. Thank you so much for having us out.
Thanks for being here. We're excited.
We're excited to be here. So I know that the two of you are not only business partners, but you're also life partners. So how did you guys meet and how did you come up with Futures Past?
Yeah, so we met about 6 years ago and we quickly became best friends. He inspired me to do something a little bit more creative. I just graduated and was looking for a creative outlet, and he really inspired me and pushed me out of my comfort zone. And since we've become like really close friends, best friends, we started dating about 2 years ago and then just started our business last year.
Beautiful, beautiful. So tell us what makes Futures Past so unique and what do you do for your clients?
Yeah, so what's great about Futures Past is the history behind it. Is it started not just a year ago, but the name kind of came about a few years ago when we started dating, and when I surprised him with a skydiving lesson.
How was that, Ian?
It was scary. It was the most terrifying day of my life.
Yeah.
And 5 minutes later was the best experience of my life.
100%. I've been there, so I know exactly what you're talking about.
Highly recommended, right?
Yes,
Scary,
absolutely.
but...
Have to do it, have to do it. So Ian, tell us what makes your company so unique and what do you do for your clients?
I think it's very unique because we balance each other out. I'm a photographer, videographer. She does marketing, product photography, and together we're able to do a lot more than just us individually. And we have an event space, so we don't just do photo and video, but we also have a space for events. Anything else you want to add?
Yeah, and also because we do a lot of photo out of here and video, we want to rent this space out to others who want to create and maybe don't have the budget to afford us to do their content, but kind of want to give them the freedom to create.
Beautiful. Speaking of creating, I know that you guys are set up here for a photo shoot. Is it cool if we hang out and watch your art come to life?
Absolutely.
Yeah, nice.
Awesome. Let's do it. That was so awesome, you guys. Thank you so much for letting us go behind the scenes. Now, Barrio Logan is a total hot spot for art. What are some events that go on around here that people can come check out and also artists are a part of?
There's so many amazing events, but one thing that stands out is Barrio Art Crawl, which happens every second Saturday of the month. And we're so excited to be a part of it and just open our space to different artists and vendors to be a part of.
Very cool, very cool. So for an artist looking for a space to rent out or for a client that's looking for audio, video, photography services, what's the best way for them to get a hold of you?
The best way to reach us is on our website, futurespass.co, and our Instagram is also futurespass.co.
Ian, Alyssa, thank you so much for having us out. My name is Ivan from This is San Diego, brought to you by Powers Premier, revolutionizing real estate. Let us know where we should go next. See you next time.